am I here with?
Riel.
And what's your position on the team?
I'm on the fabrication team.
And what have you been doing over the past couple weeks?
So over the past couple of weeks, we've been cutting plates, teaching new ARC students how to use the lathe, cam, and the CNC, and been laser cutting with the SRPP.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Who am I here with?
Lucas.
And what's your position on the team?
I'm a member of the CAD team.
Can you talk to us about what's been happening with the shooter over the last couple weeks?
Yeah, so the last couple of weeks, the shooters and other sub-assemblies have merged, and we've been working on making the final assembly. And while doing so, we realized that from the transfer from the indexer into the ball tower itself, we made a mistake by not incorporating the thickness of the chain needed for the indexer, and so by doing that, the clearance from the indexer into the ball tower became smaller, not allowing our balls to go through. The way we combated this is basically we just edited the plates and we shifted some things around so that our clearance is good again. We also finalized the assembly for the robot and the shooter this week.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Who am I here with?
Jamie.
What's your position on the team?
I am the Twindexer lead.
Can you talk about what's been happening with the assembly of the Twindexer?
So this week, the Twindexer was the first thing we actually started to assemble on the robot, other than the drivetrain, obviously. So yeah, we got all the prints good for the supports in the walls. We drilled out the holes for the walls on the side. And yeah, I mean, so the only kind of hiccup we had was getting the chain on was a little bit tricky, I'll say, but we got it done, and the system works great. And yeah, everything went pretty well, so all in all, pretty good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Who am I here with?
Alex,
What's your position on the team?
electrical lead.
Can you talk to us about what electrical's been doing this past couple weeks?
So we've been doing a lot of crimping, soldering. We've been getting all the wires cut and measured for the robot, and we've also started attaching them to the motors and organizing them.
Thank you very much. Who am I here with?
Reese.
And what's your position on the team?
Assembly.
Can you tell us what you've been doing on the assembly team?
I put rubber on the intake tubes. I used a rig to drill the holes, put some Mark Forge inserts in them, and they're ready to go on the robot.
Yeah, nice, cool. Thank you for letting us know. Who am I here with?
Evan.
And what's your position on the team?
I'm team captain and programming lead.
What have programming been doing these past couple weeks?
So we've been really just trying to get ready for the robot getting handed off to us. So we've been finishing up all the robot code, double checking all our logic, and we also started working on autos.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Who am I here with?
Waverly.
And what's your position on the team?
I'm on the climb team.
Can you talk to us about what's been happening with the climber this season?
Yes, so we originally started out with an L3 climb, and we were developing a few different ideas for that, but we decided that we wanted to wait to do the L3 for districts, and we're right now finishing up the CAD and beginning fabrication for an L1 climb.
Thank you very much.
You're more of a monkey.
Just make sure you breathe in all the fumes from this audio.